In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart system in Notion. It's a great way to manage your projects and visualize your progress over time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear, organized system that helps you keep track of tasks and timelines effortlessly. To begin, you'll first want to click on your profile in Notion. This is your starting point to access all the tools and settings you need. Locating your profile is simple. If you're already logged into Notion, you'll typically find it in the upper left or right corner, depending on your interface layout. Clicking on it opens a menu where you can adjust your settings and access various features, including the template library, which we'll be using shortly. After clicking on your profile, your next step is to navigate to the Templates section. This feature is an incredibly powerful aspect of Notion that allows you to integrate pre-built structures into your workspace, saving you time and providing a solid foundation to customize your chart further. Once you're in the Templates section, you'll see a range of options designed for different productivity needs. Next, you'll want to utilize the search function by typing in Gantt. The spelling is a bit unusual, so make sure you type Gantt correctly to pull up the templates available specifically for Gantt charts. It might look like this, Gantt. Doing this will narrow down the selection to what's relevant for your project planning needs, making it easier for you to choose the right one. Once you've performed the search, take a moment to peruse the results and select the Gantt chart template that seems most suitable for your project management style. You'll find various templates offering different visual styles and functionalities, so feel free to spend a bit of time considering which one aligns best with your goals. You might prefer a simple layout if you're just starting, or a more sophisticated one with extra features if your project is a bit more complex. Having selected your preferred Gantt chart template, the last step is to click on the Add button. By doing this, you're integrating this template directly into your Notion workspace. This action is straightforward and effectively sets up your Gantt chart within seconds. And there you have it, a basic Gantt chart system set up in Notion, ready for you to start managing your projects. With this tool, you can now seamlessly track your timeline, assign tasks, and visualize your project progression. It's an excellent way to keep your projects organized and on schedule. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and happy planning!